How to add items to Amazon wishlist. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss an update. So first of all, open up Amazon application on your device. Now find the product which you want to add to the wish list. Now wait for some time. Now simply scroll down. Now simply scroll down. Now under add a production plan, you will find an option for add to list. Simply tap on it. Now under add to a list, you can find different lists. If you don't find a wish list, simply tap on create a list. Now enter the title wish list, then tap on create, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.